So here's how you can find your parked car with the Apple Maps on your iPhone, and let's explain that and let's get started. So if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. So the first step would be to go to your settings and find the apps menu at the bottom where you find all of the apps menus and all of the individual settings, but just find, of course, the Apple Maps right there. It's just called Maps if you want to look it up. But part of this menu, we have a toggle which is titled to show parked location. So it is at the bottom entirely, and you can see that you need to have it enabled for the feature to work. And the point is that whenever you're going to be driving, it doesn't even have to have like the driving directions and the navigation enabled. As long as you are in the car with your phone will detect that you are actually moving in a car. And when you just, get out of this and start walking, it will be measured by that, by the iPhone, of course. And on the map, the location of the car will be marked by a icon, right? So you will then be able to open up the Apple Maps and literally see it as an icon, like you can see a point of interest on a map. It will also give you the parked car, but you can even look it up, like literally just type in parked car and you'll be able to see it on the map specifically so you can return it. And the best thing about it is that as long as you have it turned on, like I've shown you, it's going to work automatically, so you don't have to manually mark the location or anything like that. And personally, I find it to be very useful. So let me know if you managed to set it up on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.